Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error 524 problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start it. So for that, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're simply going to go ahead and log out of your particular device and then simply re-sign in on your account. Once you're done, you're going to go back ahead. If that doesn't help, go to App Store, go to search bar, type in Roblox over here and see whether if your app needs an update or not. Because if it needs an update, then that could be the reason. Simply update your app by tapping on it and you're good to go. If that also doesn't help, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, simply press and hold on the app and tap on remove app. Tap on delete app. The app will be deleted from your device, and go ahead, go to the App Store again and simply reinstall your particular Roblox app and re-sign in, and that should also help you out. If you are having this issue on your browser, simply make sure to refresh your browser. Again, clear the cache of your browser as well and check the internet connection, and you're good to go. That's how you should be able to solve it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.